Riri bara ya kuhitana na njohi thumu inyitithitio thinga guothe bururi-ini. Borithi kuma Kitengela ni mahithukitie rita 810 cia ethano, mihuri ya maigirira ya KRA, undu umwe na cuba cia njohi. Muingi wa mwena ucio ugite marakunyeire maabitha borithi ndeto ino thutha wa gwikwa ngari iri kuritwo igithie mathaa ma utuku na iria kuririkana niyo ikuritwo igikua indo ici.
Hii nyumba imekuwa suspicious all along because mwenyewe akai huko, lakini kuna mtu mmoja anaishi hapa, lakini tumekuwa tukimsuspect lakini hawezi ruhusu sisi tuingie na hapa ndani. So wakati leo tumeweza kuintercept hiyo gari na tukakuja na wao tukaweza kuingia ndani, ndio tumeona tumepata kama kuna pombe.
When we realize there's something this one, we call our meeting of the committee of this asset, and then we raise alarm by calling the OCS and the county commissioner.
Thutha wa maabitha borithi kuingira muciini uyu ni mahithukitie ethano na indo ingi iria irahuthikaga guthondeka njohi thumu.
This morning, with the help of members of the public, we got very crucial information that there was a warehouse that was storing ethanol, and someone was coming to collect it. Cover 810 liters of ethanol. It was packed in 20 liters jerrycans, which were 40, and bottle tops, specifically for Chrome and Konyagi. Chrome and Konyagi, and other sorted empty bottles.
Agikirira ndeto ino mukonde komanda wa borithi wa Isinya Patrick Manyasi augite bara ya kuhurana na njohi thumu ni ciarite matunda amu muingi ni witikirite kurutithania wira na o na kuri ugite bara ino igutwarithio na mbere nginya gicagi-ini niguo kuhukia njohi kaimana.
Ile inaitwa operation kuhakikisha kwamba pombe haramu imemalizwa na mihadarati imemalizwa. Wanauza pombe katika vilabu ambavyo havina leseni. Ni watu ambao tunashika kila siku, lakini kwetu kama Isinya ni jambo ambalo nafikiria tunaweza sema tayari tumefaulu kwa kiasi kikubwa.
Mwikwirwo uria ni ndereba wa ngari iyo ahingiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kitengela etereire gukinyio igoti-ini ria Kajiado muthenya wa wakere.
We have arrested one gentleman who was driving a Noah, and he had loaded the jerrycans in the vehicle. He ran back to the warehouse. In the process of offloading, the OCS arrived.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Waithira wa Mwangi.